What is up, ladies and gentlemen? Today I'm going to present you the newest method of solo commercial lead generation. And right now, this is going to be a secret strategy that you haven't seen anywhere else before that gets you high quality leads completely for free. Yes, you heard it right. You don't have to pay for any high software. You don't have to settle for bad leads. I'm going to show you a method how you can get straight to the CEOs, owners, and managers, including their personal phone number, email address, as well as their social media. And it's super simple, can be done with a click of one button. And now I don't think you've seen an easier video on lead generation right now on YouTube. So you're going to absolutely love this. And it's the newest way to go about it. It works with every possible commercial niche out there. So just make sure to stick to the end of this video so you understand how the whole system works and can take advantage of this unlimited situation. And just to give you a quick sneak peek of how the final product can look like, as I said, it's possible with every single commercial niche out there. In this example, I did it with restaurants. We got the exact address, their website, their location, their email address, their personal Facebook, Instagram account, and also every personal phone number we need to connect with this potential lead, this potential customer, right? This is the final product. And the way it works is very, very simple. And all we need to make it work is this simple software. It's called Appify. You can just go on console.appify.com. You'll get sent to this page, right? And here we have different actors which we can use. And the first actor we're going to use is also the first actor on this site. It's a Google Maps extractor. So simply click on it. And now if you scroll down, you can choose your commercial niche. For example, I said, hey, we want to do restaurants in New York, USA. And then we can also say how many leads do we want to get. For this example, just put in 5 to make it way, way quicker, but you can really, as you want, scale up this number, 100,000, just depending on how much leads you can handle, all right? And then just put in your niche, your location, the numbers of leads you want, of course, language is English. Then we scroll down, click on start, and now it's going to scrape together websites, first of all, to get all of the information we need in the first step. And now, a few seconds later, we got our first 5 restaurants scraped together from New York City. All right, and now we can click here on export 5 results. We can click on that and you can choose how we want to export this. We have different options here, but the way we want to do it is we here see export dataset, and then we can copy this ID. You just click on this icon here. All right, we copy this ID, and now we go back into store, and we need a second actor for that. So we simply go on the search tab and type in Google Maps. All right, now you see here the Google Maps email extractor. This is the tool we use to scrape all the personal information from the websites we just generated. So we can click on here, and all we need to do now is simply paste in the code we just copied before, click on save and start, and now it's scraped together all the personal information we need to contact this lead. Or and this will take a few minutes, and then after that we got the final results with all the personal data. And now after a quick cut, we got the final results here. We got our 5 restaurants. We can export the data. I'm just going to preview in a new tab right now to show you the final results we got. All right, so here we can see the restaurant, the exact address, the website. And if we scroll further here, we can see their personal email address, their Facebook, their Instagram account, the phone numbers we can contact them with. Right, if we scroll down here, we got a lot of phone numbers we can contact. And here also their Twitter and all the important stuff to get in contact with this lead. And now we want to take the whole process to the next level. We want to automate this entire process we just made together, to automate with one simple click where you click a button, it scrapes websites together, and the next steps scrapes through the websites to get the personal data. So you have all the important information just with one click. And the way it works is very, very simple. And therefore, we need a tool called make.com. All right, and the workflow we're going to use is very, very simple. We're going to set a variable, then it will scrape together the website. We will add a quick delay so it can process all of the websites and then scrape the personal information together. And all I need to do is simply click on this button. It will run this whole workflow and scrape together quality solo commercial leads you can get in contact with. And of course, I'm going to show you how we can build this whole process out together. And the way it works, super easy. Simply go to make.com. You will get sent to this page. You can get started for free, make an account, and then I see you on the next page. Now, once you created your account, you simply go on scenarios here, click on create a new scenario, and then you will get sent to this page where you can customize the workflow. And we're just going to start by clicking on this plus sign here. You can search for Apify. All right, Apify, and then the step we want to do is run an actor. All right, first of all, very important, you need to connect Make with your Apify account. And the way it works is simple. Simply click on Add, and all you need to do is put in your API token here. And to find your API token inside Apify, you simply click on Settings, and if you click here on Integrations, your Apify API key will show up. Of course, I'm not going to do it right now because then you would see my API key, but simply click on here, copy it, and then paste it into the workflow. And now once this is done, we need to choose an actor. And just to double check that we're choosing the right actor, we're going back into Apify. You click on Store here, and the first actor we used was the Google Maps extract. And you can see here the name is compass/Google minus maps minus extract. So we go back into Make, click on the drop down, and we can see, hey, compass, Google minus maps minus extract. We can choose that. And then we will select this button here. And then in the last step, all we need to do is put in the JSON script. This may sound a bit difficult, but it's super easy. We just go back to Apify, simply click on this actor, and then we see here it says JSON. Simply click on that. We can copy the JSON script, go back into Make, paste it inside here, and then click on OK. And that's the first of 4 steps from the workflow. Then you just click on the plus sign here. And now we're going to add a delay. All right, so we can search for sleep. Sleep. Select this one. Then we can add the delay time. We're just going to do 30 seconds. This is just so once this step is finished, we give the workflow a bit of time to process all the websites that scrape together. And then we're going to add the second step where they scratch all the personal information together. So you click on Add another module. We use Apify again. Same step here, run an actor. Then you can click on the drop-down menu here again. And just to make sure that we're choosing the right actor, we go back into Apify, click on Store. Then we're going to search for the second actor we used. So we type in Google Maps. And now you'll see it was the Google Maps email extractor. It says here his name and then /Google minus maps with contact details. So we can go back into Make, click on the drop-down menu, select the right actor. Then we select this button again. In the next step, we need to paste in the JSON script. So we go back onto Apify, select this actor, click on JSON again, copy the script, go back into make.com, put it here, and then click on OK to finish this step. And now for the last step of this workflow, we're going back to the front here. Now we click on Add a module. Now we want to set a variable. So you can search for set variable. All right, choose this one, connect automatically. And we can now give it a name. And in this example, we're just going to name it search term. And then click on OK. Right now, very, very important. We see that it is collected with the last step right now. So we can click on this here, click on unlink, and then we can connect it with this step. All right. And now for the last step of this workflow, we click on here. And now where it says restaurant, we want to delete that and put in our search term here. Right. And now click on OK. And then very, very important, click on save. And now what this will do now, if I click on set variable here, I can search, for example, for gyms, right? Click on OK. And now if I would run the workflow, it will scrape together all the gyms in New York, right? Adds a delay and then scrape together all the personal information to contact them. And the way it works, as I said, very simple. All I need to do is just simply click on run once. And now the whole workflows goes through, scrapes together the gyms in New York, adds a delay, gets the personal information. So you can reach out to potential commercial solar leads and get in contact with them. All right, so that's it with the whole workflow so far. Just in case you get any questions, feel free to drop them down in the comments, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye-bye.